Hello creative people, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be showing you how to create a mini skirt with pockets. So let's start with this video. First step, as always, you will need a pattern. You can find it in my description box below, or you can purchase it on FashionCells-English. The first step, as always, is to place the pattern on the fabric, measure 1 cm for the sewing, and cut out all of the pieces. Moving on to the sewing process, of course you need to be very careful how you are marking your incisions, because that is the first step to the skirt. So the first step, as I mentioned, is to sew the incisions and then sew the pockets. I was using two different fabrics. I do regret that I didn't sew the inner lining for the skirt. I only did inner lining for the pockets. So very important to sew the pockets around and then attach the inner lining together with the front of the skirt. One mistake that a lot of people do when they're sewing item is they are not ironing their pieces. It's very easy to iron, and it's also helping your sewing machine to allow the needle to go through the fabric easier. The next step is to sew the sides. Once you have connected the sides, it's time to sew the upper line and the lower line of the skirt. I just folded 1 cm, so a straight line. I do recommend to make an incision. And on the back side, I actually forgot to add a zipper because this is not a stretchy fabric and you need to have a zipper. I'm using this hidden zipper. It's very easy to sew on, and yeah, this is the finishing product. The finishing product. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you found it helpful and useful. And of course, if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you in my next video. If you would like to see me to create something that you want, please comment below and I would love to make a video about it. So see you till then. Hej då!